That's a hit and run, man.
How do you like that, you stupid cunt?
That's a hit and run, brother. Thank you. Just want to get you on the camera, right?
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm videotaping you.
Oh, good for you, you stupid cocksucker.
Yeah, go ahead.
You fucking dumb bitch.
Right.
You're gonna fucking get charged for it, not me.
You just hit and ran me at a green light.
You fucking ran me at a green light.
No, I didn't.
You fucking right you did.
No, I didn't.
I was turning the fucking corner on the green arrow, and you ran right in front of me.
Not true.
You fuck off.
No.
4 of them. Supposedly one of them is, he says kind of bobo. The other 3 are, they're like, oh! Just crash up.
That stinks. Is he leaving?
Oh, I got it.
No way.
I got a stag number.
Wow.
I got a stag number.
Wow. Tell him.
Thanks.
Yo, you can't be driving like that though.
Alright?
Word up.
25, too fast, too fast. You're going too fast, alright? What, you gonna get out of the car?
Listen, don't touch my fucking car.
Whoa.
Don't touch my car.
Why are you speeding though?
Don't touch my car.
Why are you speeding through the street like that though?
That's right.
Saying you almost threw me off my bike, lady.
That's how I've been doing like fucking 50 over there.
Shit, man. You gotta hit me and kill me.
Holy shit! This motherfucker.
Never safe.
Music video. And I said, yeah, fantastic. And they said, and we've decided you can do the rap in it. And I said, there is no way I'm doing the rap. I cannot rap. And they looked at me with their little faces and they said, but what about your growth mindset?
Oh, shit.
And I said, oh no, I'm going to have to do the rap. This is... so anyway, no rehearsal. They just came out with a new microphone to come and see the rap.
madre, qué estúpido. No digas nada, cállate tú.
What the fuck, man? Driving like a fucking idiot.
Cállate tú.
Kiss FM. All right, if you're just joining us, we're gonna make the call. She found out that he's been flying to Vegas and not telling her every week. So he's got to be addicted to gambling or something, right? So let me grab Serena.
Yeah, that's me.
Hi, Alex. My name is Lauren. I'm actually calling from Flowers and More. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good morning. I'm actually calling because you've been chosen to receive a free dozen roses today.
How was I chosen for that?
You maybe bought something online in the last 6 months to even a year, and you opted in to get some promotions. And so I'm just new in La Puente, and I'm just trying to promote my business. So, giving you a free dozen roses today, you can actually send them to whoever you want. They're free.
Okay. I don't have to purchase anything. Just send them to somebody.
Yeah, and I don't even need any information from you or anything. So I just need the name of the person you want to send them to and a quick note, and then we can send them this afternoon.
Okay, sure. Yeah, I'll do that. Let's send them to Stacy.
Stacy. Okay. And then what would you like to write on the note?
Let's have the note say, does he do this for you?
Alex, it's Ryan Seacrest. I need you to know that your voice is being broadcast on the radio. I have your wife, Serena, on the line. Who is Stacy?
Stacy is my new intern.
Does he do this for you? Does he do this for you? What does that mean?
Alex, what? Who are you talking about? Is this whoever's in Vegas?
What is... Vegas, what?
Alex, are you going to Vegas?
I apologize, even though...
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Look at this fucking asshole.
Good job, dude.
There's one in New Street too. Is that your Randy Dirt?
No.
Right by the SkyTrain station.
I know.
You know?
You know.
Oh, jeez.
Sure.
Oh my goodness.
Where is he going? Is this going to take off?
He's taking off.
Is he taking off?
Looks like it.
He's taking off.
Ludicrous. And the fact that CNN called these reporters out, so we hear CNN again, Daryl, if you will, talking to these reporters, because even CNN was like, well, wait a minute. Are you telling me you didn't quote? You didn't... You threw the...
Oh, shit! God damn it! Oh.
So I don't pay attention when I drive. I get distracted. I start talking. Singing.
Oh, they just crashed. Well.
He's gonna reverse into you?
Oh, not. Did I stop?
No. What's that?
Because I have a video.
His rear end. I don't want to wait.
Well, at least do something. Get out of the way. Are you running?
Oh! Then stop. We have it on video.